first, I don't believe yung mga ganyan na nakikita kong chiropractors. Hello po, ako po si Jem Romero. I'm from Pulong Masle, Guagua, Pampanga. I'm only 29 years old with a back of 45 years old before the session na ginawa sa akin ni Doc. So, I have 3 kids, may kambal ako, and currently breastfeeding. That's why yung back ko talaga is sumasakit. Although tolerable pa yung pain, pero it's parang progress every day, meron siyang pain. So, after the procedure, after yung ginawa namin ni Doc, talagang I felt relieved, surprisingly. But with my husband's testimony at saka nakita kong improvement sa kanya, I decided to try it for myself. And really, surprisingly, after the session, I felt relieved. Parang back to 20 years old na yung likod ko. And thanks to Posture Perfect Chiropractic, I really felt better. And I hope to have more sessions with you. Thank you!